How can you make a work schedule on the iPhone? Let me guide you through the ways it could work. So if you're new here and first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So I would create the work schedule in a combination of both the focus mode as well as the calendar. So starting with the calendar, you can use obviously the one from Google or the built-in one from Apple. Doesn't really matter that much, but the point is that you have to schedule out the whole week or day, depends on your situation. But you can open up the calendar as such. For example, go to the next Monday, and in here you can set up the events, right? So the events are set up like that, so you can hold down on an empty space just like this. And let's say that from 9 to 5 I'm gonna type in here an event which is gonna be work, right? And the point is that this is not going to be just a one-time event, because while we are setting it up, not only do we provide like all of the information about it, we can also set up the repeating settings for it. So, for example, I can set up the work to be repeating every single weekday. So every single weekday from now on, the event in my calendar is going to be the work, right? But if I have it flexible, or for example, this only applies to Mondays, I can repeat it on a weekly basis, meaning that every single Monday is going to look like that. And just like that, one by one, I set up the schedule. So I can add an event for my commute, or I can bring in here the lunch right there. Whatever the point is in your time, it doesn't matter, but you have to set it up through the repeating settings so you don't have to redo it again. And that is the point of schedule, so it doesn't really change that much. And as I said, the second way or second addition to this would be to set up a work focus mode. So inside of the settings and a part of the focus section, you can find the work settings, and you can obviously filter out which people can and cannot get in touch with you and which notifications you want to allow from individual apps. So these are the settings to go through. You can decide which home screen is going to be usable while you are in this mode. So for example, you can decide that only the home screen with productive and work related apps is going to be visible throughout the time. And at the bottom, again, the important part is scheduling. So you can set up a schedule based on a time, as you know, it's going to correlate with your calendar setting. So every Monday from 9 a.m. the work mode is going to be enabled, or you can set it up based on location. Like if you physically move to your office, it might be enabled in that place only, or based on an app. So for example, you might open up the Gmail or some other app and the work mode is going to be turned on. So these are the two ways, the combination of features which I would use to set up my work schedule on the iPhone. Obviously inside of the calendar I can always see it manually, and like visually everything is put together. And also the focus mode limits my interaction and distractions by other things, so I can actually focus on what's important. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in future videos too.